We are here today in the peaceful, safe, and very serene community of Chateau de Paris here in Silang, Cavite, just a few minutes away to New Valley. We are here just to feature this brand new modern design French Mediterranean home. I'm Armand Cruz, your broker that focuses in premium homes in New Valley and the South. And today I'll be showing you this elegantly designed 4-bedroom home with a lot area of 230 square meters and a floor area of 260 square meters. It has 4-bedroom, may sariling toilet and bath ang bawat isa with its own cabinet space. And hindi lang yun, this property has a beautiful kitchen, perfect for those who would like to cook and learn how to cook. Ang ganda niya talaga. You must see this in the actual. And you also have a very welcoming double height ceiling living room, which is really magnificently designed. To see the full tour of this property, just visit our YouTube channel.